Churches predict further increase in antisocial behavior at schools. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. And a special welcome to viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Shamela Pullen. Also this evening, 6-year-old among 3 shot and killed in St. Andrew, and dengue cases on the rise in parts of Manchester. There's also Saturday Sports Special and weather in this newscast, so please stay with us. I'll have the detail right after this break.